Hello, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Today is September 16th, and this is a lawn. I'm out here in the Mill Creek area, and this is a lawn that I have thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and I put on a 50-pound bag of soil amendment. I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at it. Noisy. And we'll just see how it looks at that time. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, today is October 13th, and I was just driving by to check out this lawn. Just wanted to show you how the work came out. I know the sun's not exactly in all the right place. It's got a couple little spots where the dogs have killed off the grass. But I'm really happy with the results and the way it looks. I had thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on some soil amendment on this particular lawn. And like I say, today is October 13th. And this has been a particularly dry year, but this is an irrigated lawn. Once again, Stewart here, Aerating-Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.